When designing a variable postcard that is not only going to have data on both the front and back, but also be multi-upped onto a larger sheet of paper when printed, certain settings need to be defined in order to get the front side and the back side to match using the same data record. In the example that I have here, I already have the front side of the postcard defined within my job. When I expand the Options folder, you can see the job is defined as being duplex. When I expand the Multi-Up folder, you can see the multi-up options for how many times the postcard will be repeated, defined by rows and columns. When I expand the paper size folder, the paper size of the substrate that will be printed on is defined. Now we will expand the options for the front of the postcard design to gain access to settings that will allow us to conditionally call in the backside form. Select Job Conditions, and then click the Add button to enable additional settings. The Job Conditions window allows you to add conditions and will list all the conditions once they have been defined. To start adding conditions, click the Add button. The condition that will be defined is going to initiate an action to happen when it's found true that there is a backside to this postcard. Start by expanding the Field drop-down. Select System Variable. This will populate the drop-down to the left with predefined variables within VisionDP. Expand the Choose Variable drop-down. Select Back. This variable looks for the backside of the form. Select the Equals function. Expand the Value drop-down. Select True. Click OK to accept the condition that was just defined. You can now see the condition listed within the Add Job Condition menu. Now we need to define an action that will happen when this condition is found to be true. Click on the Action button. Expand the Form Action drop-down. Select Replace Form. Click on the Browse button. Select the form that has already been created that you would like to be placed on the backside of the postcard. Click Open. Click OK. Click OK. And then click OK one last time. Expand the Job Conditions folder within the job tree to view the condition. You can expand each individual condition. In this case, there's only one. You can see the complete details of the condition listed. In this case, it says, if back equals true, then replace it with the backside form. The backside form will be listed in the Additional Pages folder. Expand this folder. Using your data scroll buttons, you can scroll through the data to view both the front and back sides of your postcards. To compose the job, click on the Create PDF Job button. Either rename or save the PDF name defined. Click Save. Save your files. And select the View PDF when finished checkbox. Click OK to start the composition. Click OK once your PDF is done composing.